Alright, welcome to a first vlog on the iPhone. Hopefully it's not too shaky. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. But I figured we might as well start it off with my truck. So, yeah. Now there is one thing that I love about this truck, which is why I'm kind of sad to say that I might be getting rid of it. And that is this godly noise. Yeah. If I do get rid of it, I'm gonna miss that a lot. Now let's see if I have my phone clip in here anywhere. Put the AC on. It is a cool, I don't know why I'm not recording with the GoPro in all honesty. Phone clip, there it is. Should fit right over my iPhone. So I'll see you guys in just a second. That's lol. Oh, there. Now it is on there. But now I need to figure out a place where I can put it. I don't think right here would work, would it? Now it already is wanting to fall out. I mean, that kind of works. Kind of, besides the fact that it's wanting to fall out, and I have no idea why. You know what? Good enough. But yeah, it's basically just where that's gonna stay. Hopefully, it doesn't make too much noise, but hopefully it doesn't move around all too much. But yeah, figured might as well make the first vlog on the iPhone. Talk about some stuff that's going on in my life. First of all, I'd like to apologize for the severe lack of gaming videos on the old channel. It's kind of hot in here. I'm gonna roll down the window. Oh yeah, the shake is good. Look at that shake. I'm gonna shake out of the clip. This is why you invest in proper vlogging equipment, sirs. And by sirs, I mean, just don't use your iPhone. I mean, I'm sure you can, and it probably looks fine. But, you know, I probably could put it on one of the other clips over there, in all honesty. But, yeah. Also, this is where I live, just saying. No, it's probably all blurred out anyway. But, yeah, the severe lack of gaming videos is because of the, I swear, I have the worst luck with computers, and my PC, Ruby, I love her to death, but goddamn does she always break on me. Hello, Prius, that almost fucking hit me. Prius drivers, man, they're everywhere. Let's take the scenic route. I like the scenic route. But, it's gonna be real bumpy too, so this should be fun. Oh yeah. But, yeah, she decided that the software on Windows 8 was just gonna be like, peace, don't feel like working no mo. And basically, I now have this weird watchdog error on my PC, and it only runs for about 5 minutes and then blue screens it. My god, I wish I had a front-facing camera because that turn that guy just made was fucking awful. But yeah, needless to say, gaming videos won't be happening for a while on the PC. Oh my god, I can already see the camera trying to move now. Now it's all the way over there. There we go. Now it's crooked. How does this happen? Professional vlogging 101. There we go. Much better. Kinda. But yeah, you guys can see out the back window too, so. But yeah, that's basically why there's been no gaming videos, like PC-wise. I know some of my more edited videos come from PC. God damn it. This fucking vent clip sucks dick. don't use vent clips, ladies and gents. Just don't do it. I know what you guys are probably thinking. He's gonna fucking kill himself while he's driving. I'm legitimately on a straight road. On a straight road, so it's fine. It's still turning. Also, I don't know why I put it on the most broken vent in the truck. Literally, there's no middle support on that vent, and I don't know why I chose to drive down the most bumpy road. Like, you guys will see how bumpy it gets in just a second. Still getting there. Holy shit, that's a giant bump. Yay, more bumps. Yeet. But, yeah. And then, another reason why is because I've been, I got a new phone, so yeah. It's just gonna be at a crooked angle. Just fix that, there we go. Might go crooked again, don't know. There we go. But yeah, so if sorry if the video's going like this, it's because it's in literally a vent clip, and it's just shaking like this, but I wanted to be able to drive and not hold my phone, so. Sorry if it's also a little loud as well. I have to have the window down, but I don't want to run the AC because you guys are on a vent clip, like I said. That's literally about to fall out again. But yeah, so far, literally it was like one thing after the other. My phone broke at first. The charging cord on my old phone broke, so it just stopped working. My PC broke, so I couldn't make any more videos like that. I couldn't tell you guys that it was broken because my phone was broken. So yeah, that's humbug. Also hill. Hill. Still on a hill. Very much hill. So much hill, you don't even know how hill it is. There we go. But yeah. So basically, now that I have my life semi in order, yeah, I've decided to make a vlog today. Today is Friday the 23rd. Don't you do it, bicyclist. Don't you do it. Why? It moves to like the weirdest angles too, which makes no sense. Because it's literally just sitting still in a vent. What is this? Anywho, it's fine. It's shaking sideways again. Stop it. But yeah, that's why I said sorry if this video is like all over the fucking place, because it's literally just going like this in a vent. So maybe I should try it on this vent over here because there's more to grab onto. Not at such a weird angle, but what's good for the middle of the car. Alright, who's going first here? We all kind of stopped at the same time. There we go. Okay, four-way stops, they're fun. We can do a slide pull. Oh yeah. Camera sideways again. Still fucking sideways. God damn it. What I've realized is that it's so fucking touchy. Like, literally, I touch it and it goes sideways again. So, I'm gonna be probably all sorts of not in frame and out of frame. Just because that's just how it is. So, I'll probably fix that once I get to a stoplight. Try putting in a clip over here. Sideways again. And look at the shake. Look how much shake there is. I'll probably cut out some of the stupid parts too. Also, this video might look a little weird too, just because I'm not used to editing on the iPhone yet. So yeah, if you're wondering what iPhone I got the X. Because, I mean, why would you not? So hopefully the camera looks a little bit better. Hopefully it's not as weird looking as I think it's probably going to. And yeah. Driving with Sayax. It's the most boring thing around. All there is desert. Doesn't even make a sound. songs will be here all week. I want one of those. But, oh yeah, back to car news. I don't know if any of you guys really care. Sweet red light. I don't know if you got seriously, and now it's like stuck in the fucking vent. Come here, you. I don't know if you guys even really care. Also, I know you guys are looking at my shirt right now. But, I don't know if any of you really care about cars or anything like that, just because I know this is a mostly gaming channel. Oh, what the fuck? Why do you fall? That's fucking stupid. Okay. Go up. Move up, you stupid fuck. Okay, well that sucks. Here, we'll just hold it like this. That works. Don't vlog and drive, kids. I do not advise this. I mean, I still do have a hand on the wheel, and I'm not really looking over at the camera, but I'm using my dominant hand to hold the camera while I drive. Would not advise against this, or I would advise against this. But gotta try something now. I actually do have another clip that I could try. I think I might try that on the way home. Oh yeah, I didn't mention why I was going over to my mom's house. I suck at this. You guys can tell that I've not vlogged in a long ass time. Not only that, but this is going to be a very long portion of the vlog, considering the fact that this is 10 minutes already. So this might be an entire video. I might just call it Driving with Sykes. But, no, I'll probably throw it in the vlog. I mean, man. This is vlog, what, number 6? I think this is 6. Probably 6. I don't know why, but that one doesn't bend at all. This one fucking bends a lot. So, it's fine. It's whatever. Jeebus Christ. I'm a Ford Fiesta driver and I want to be free. Something, something. Racially bad song. That's all you ever hear, though, in them parts at school. Meanwhile, as the slowest driving occurs, because we're all stuck behind a semi right now. But, yeah. City driving is lots of fun. Just kidding, I'm still kind of out in the middle of nowhere. See? Middle of nowhere. But, yeah. I don't even know if you guys will be able to hear me. Who knows? I'm probably not even talking loud enough for you guys to actually even hear me. So it might just sound like lots of road noise, and then every now and again my voice might peek in. Why? Because I don't know how the microphone on this phone is. It's probably okay, for the most part. Kind of want to put it back in the clip over there. Also, at the same time, I'm driving. That was a pain in the ass the first time. So yeah. Think of like where else I could put it for the time being, but I'm sure it's fine. Also, for anybody who's like, I can't wait to start driving, no, it's actually not that fun. Like, as long as you're confident in yourself, you'll be fine, but it's a lot of wow, that was so red. That was all the way red. Yo, Tucson drivers suck, by the way. Like, we have, like, the worst drivers. And I wish I was making that up. No, we legitimately have, like, the worst drivers. It's actually low-key kind of sad. Here, we'll try and put this back in the clip. I don't know which tooth you were on. Is that even a tooth? That's not even a tooth. Where are you? No. No. Okay, well, now that's folded down. That's cool. It's fine. That works. That didn't work. Just instantly tipped over. Also, top. Oh my god, it's 11:11. Make a wish. Driving in my car. Where we're going, no one will know. In the garage. About my new Lamborghini. here in my garage. It's very wide. Wide angle lens. Or it's not a very wide angle lens. So used to my other one being like super wide. This one's wide. Oh, hello. Hello. Small. Hello. Tawny, are you taking a shit? Tell the vlog you're taking a shit, Tawny. Tawny, you taking a shit? Tawny's taking a shit. Oh no! Your cat died, fams. Used to be a cat. Why do they have all this nice shit when I'm not here? The fuck? Doggo? Other doggo? I'm not gonna let you out, but doggo. Wow. Look at my room. It's just as shitty as I left it. Wow. Da-da-da-da. Wow. Alright, now we can switch cameras. I guess the upside about having this weird like kickstand thing on the back is that I can prop it up on things now, except if they're too big. Like so. I'm surprised I didn't fall over, but yeah, now we're over at Mom's house. And Fishy, why are you so oxidated? I gave you a right spoop. Why are you like y'all just ate? I don't understand. Fish are weird. Anywho, now that I'm here, I'm gonna pack up my PlayStation because I want to stream Skyrim. I remembered. And then I will pack up the rest of my shit and leave. Scritch, is it? There is a Scritch. Don't know where that came from. That sucks. It's fine. These are my Astros, by the way. I love these things. Cannot forget these, just because playing without sound and not being able to talk to people sucks, especially if you're trying to play Fortnite. I need these. So, yeah. I will be, investing sometime here. So, see you guys when I'm done. Here in my garage. Spot this new, Jesus Christ, this camera, oh, the camera's all the way up here, that's why. Just bought this new Lamborghini. It's fun to ride in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like more than my new Lamborghini? Not knowledge.
No.
How was your poo, Donnie?
It was wonderful.
Wonderful. This vent clip sucks. It doesn't stay on vents in your car while you're driving.
It falls.
So it's just like autism. It shakes around. Tawny, how are you?
Good, because I remember I have blueberry muffins.
And chocolate chip cookies.
We went to Walmart last night.
They get all this good shit while I'm not here. Fuck your cookies. Fuck your cookies.
The dog's up. Because Mom says she kept them in this morning because it was like freezing.
It was like 32 this morning.
Mm-hmm.
So, I believe it. I believe Kit. Tawny, do you enjoy knowledge?
Yes, knowledge.
Knowledge.
It's the best.
You're the best. To hold the iPhone like this to get a nice panoramic view. Isn't that right, Tawny?
Yes.
We're white as fuck. I'm kidding. Tawny, do you like my hoodie?
Oh, nice.
Yar. This
there's a thing here.
A thing here.
I remember because you pointed out your shirt.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh! This is my new shirt that What's-His-Face ruined. Yay! I got my new shirt. This is from, when Bajira jumped up and ruined my shirt. So, cool. That's cool. But, yeah.
You want a blueberry muffin?
Oh no, I just ate. Dad actually made breakfast. Yeah, no, right?
She's gonna be so shocked when he stops doing that.
Ew.
Nice.
Not really. Stay. Autism. I see the iPhone doesn't have 50-50 weight distribution like a BMW. I'm triggered. Stay. There it goes. Now it's staying. We shall let out Pupper now. How to let out Pupper 101. Angling. Oh, fuck. Angling is everything, folks. Gotta get the right angle of the... Yeah, fuck. Just stay. Fuck you, iPhone. Okay, fuck this thing. Just kidding. Alright, Pupper. Do you want outside? It's a very delayed reaction. First fill up this small one. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, outside. Look how triggered he is. He's like, ha 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 ha. Okay, go. Cool. No. Then you grab this little hook thingy. Your foot. Bring that side. So this one likes to run away. And then you open this. And then you make him sit. Charlie, sit.
I'll shake first though if you want to back up. You know it every time.
Wow. Charlie, sit. Good boy. And then you just take this and you take his little hook thing. You take his fucking hook out from his collar, because I don't know who the fuck is the autist that gets this thing fucking stuck every time. At mom. I don't understand how she managed to do that, but one of the days he's gonna fucking slip out of it. She's gonna be like, I don't know what happened. And then you just let them be dogs. And they are free. Wow. And then you get a small that's like outside. Wow. Bajira, say hi. Bajira. Wow. Wow. Majestic. Are you gonna say hi too?
No, she just wants my muffins.
No. You can't have any muffins. No muffins.
They're chocolate. One of them is chocolate.
He wants muffins.
Mom fed you guys. She just told me she needed the dog's food.
Wow. Has cats in it. Instantly 1 million views.